Today we're making spring pasta. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Your Spoonful, guys. So today we're making a spring-inspired pasta. There's a lot of greens going on there. The only thing that's not healthy there is going to be your bacon and the creme fraiche. So how to make this pasta? It's pretty easy. What you have to do is just to prep your veg. So in this case you have to just chop and wash the leeks, wash the spinach as well. Then chop your asparagus and your zucchini. Put that aside. Final thing what you need to chop is your bacon. So while you be chopping, you can also put the kettle on with some water, and when the water is boiling, put it on the stove to start heating up. When the water reaches boiling temperature in a pot, add some salt, put your pasta in, and then you can start your sauce. So first put your leek and your bacon, so they cook together at the same time. When the bacon gets more or less crispy and the leek is getting caramelized, then you can add zucchini and asparagus, cook them for a bit, but not for too long. Want to keep the crispiness of and still the freshness of the veggies, so the vitamins stay there, the good parts that you need to stay healthy. And almost when the end, you can add the spinach to cook it down a bit. Finish the sauce, add your creme fraiche, mix it up a bit, let it cook a bit, and then you can add your pasta water. Don't be afraid, it looks like it can split, but give it a moment and it's gonna all together combine with this nice and creamy, silky sauce. Thanks to the starch in the pasta water, it's going to bring everything together. Let it simmer down for a bit, then take it off from the heat. When the pasta is ready, drain it. Keep a bit of pasta water if you still need just in case. Drop it in the sauce. Toss it together or mix together, whichever feels easier for you to do. And then yeah, you're good to serve. So thanks for watching this video, guys. It was nice, short and sweet. I hope you're gonna try this recipe as well. It's pretty easy to make. It has 4 of your 5 veggies / fruit a day, so it's good for you. Plus it uses all the seasonal greens that you can find now easily in supermarkets or the markets themselves. Let me speak that of it. So just, if you did like this video, please click on the like button down below. Comment if you think it can make this recipe better, or you have some feedback to me. It does help a lot. If you did like this video and you want to see more of this in the future, please click subscribe to see more of these videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, guys!